Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 satellite finders for accurate signal detection in 2024, so let's check it out.
Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5.
GTmedia V9 Prime Satellite TV Receiver. The GTmedia V9 Prime is a satellite TV receiver and signal finder combo, compatible with DVB, S2/S2X standards. It offers 1080p HD output, CA card support, and a built-in IKS SAT decoder, making it an all-in-one solution for satellite TV enthusiasts. The advantages are: combines satellite signal finder and TV receiver functions, supports DVB, S2/S2X with 1080p HD output. The disadvantages are: may be overkill for simple satellite setups.
Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4.
Satellite Finder Satlink WS6933. The Satlink WS6933 Digital Sat Finder is a compact and easy-to-use satellite meter featuring a 2.1-inch LCD screen. It supports DVB, S2 signals, making it a reliable choice for quick and accurate satellite signal detection during installations. The advantages of this satellite finder are: compact and lightweight design, easy-to-read 2.1-inch LCD screen, simple operation for quick setup. The disadvantages of this satellite finder are: limited to DVB, S2 signals only.
At number 3.
Satlink ST5150 Combo Satellite Finder. The Satlink ST5150 is a powerful combo satellite finder supporting DVB, S2, DVB-C, and DVB-T2. With a 4.3-inch TFT screen and H.265 HEVC decoding, it offers clear and precise signal detection. Perfect for both professional installers and DIY enthusiasts. The advantages are: supports multiple standards, DVB, S2/C/T2, 4.3-inch TFT screen for clear visuals. The disadvantages are: bulkier design due to the large screen.
Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2.
GTmedia V8 Finder 2 Satellite Meter. The V8 Finder 2 Satellite Meter is a compact and reliable tool designed for DVB, S2/S2X and H.264 signal detection. Ideal for both professionals and hobbyists, this device offers accurate satellite signal detection with its advanced features, ensuring an efficient setup process. The advantages are: supports DVB, S2/S2X and H.264 standards, user-friendly interface with intuitive controls. The disadvantages are: limited to DVB, S2/S2X and H.264 signals.
At number 1.
GTmedia V8 Finder Pro 2, ideal for satellite enthusiasts. The V8 Finder Pro 2 is a versatile satellite meter that supports DVB, S2, DVB-T2, and DVB-C, along with AHD and H.265. It features a high-definition LCD screen and a built-in spectrum analyzer, ensuring accurate signal detection for your satellite setup. The advantages are: multi-standard support, DVB, S2/T2/C, AHD, built-in spectrum analyzer for precise readings. The disadvantages are: potentially steep learning curve for beginners.